The hedgehog who built a bridge. Once, there was a little hedgehog named Harry. Harry lived in a big forest. The forest had a wide, deep river. On one side of the river, animals like bunnies, squirrels, and deer lived. On the other side, there were foxes, badgers, and birds. One day, Harry saw that the animals on both sides never played together. They couldn't cross the river, and they felt lonely. Harry wanted to help. Harry was small, but he was smart. He thought, "What if I build a bridge?" So, Harry gathered sticks, twigs, and leaves. Every day he worked hard, placing the sticks across the river one by one. The other animals saw what Harry was doing. First, the beavers came to help. They were good with sticks. Then, the birds brought more leaves to make the bridge strong. The rabbits and foxes helped too, carrying small stones to make the bridge steady. After many days, the bridge was done. Now, the animals from both sides could cross the river. They could play together, share food, and be friends. Harry the Hedgehog was happy. He learned that when everyone works together, great things can happen. The animals thanked Harry, and they all played on the bridge, happy to be together.